Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to see how to use filter function with arrays. Okay, so before we start, I have an array which is very big in the length. As you can see, the array length is very big. Okay, now what I want here is I want to filter out prime numbers out of it. I want to filter out even numbers out of it. I want to find a greater number, which are the numbers which are greater than 47. Okay, and we have to find numbers which are less than 30. Okay, so I have made individual functions. Now see how we can use the filter function to filter out the elements from the array. Okay, so first of all, imagine I am finding the prime number inside the array. So what I will write here, see, I hope this is now visible to you all. Okay, so what I will write first, console.log, and then I will write array arr dot filter filter method. Okay, and then I will pass the function is prime function. I will pass here. Okay, capital P is there. Okay, so make sure you don't make a typographical error. Now see what this filter method will do. Will search all the prime numbers inside it and return it to me. See here. If I run the program, see here, it has returned me all the prime numbers. Now imagine I have to find even numbers. So what I will do the change here, I will write even number over here. Even is even number. Okay, function name is even. Okay, so let's run this program. Let's see whether we get the desired output. See here, we have already got all the even numbers from the array. Now imagine I want a number which is greater than 47. Okay, so I will write the function name as, say I will copy the function name from here itself, and then we can get the desired output. Okay, control V over here. Yes, now let's run the function and then we will get the desired output. Okay, let's run the function. Yes, see, as you could see this, we are getting the numbers which are greater than 47. Now imagine I want to find the number which is less than 30. Okay, so we will pass that function. Yes, so is less than 30. Yes, we'll pass that function and let's run the same program. Yeah, see, we have already got the numbers which are less than 30 from the array. Okay, so this is how you can use the filter method to filter out the elements from the array. Okay, there may be possibility the array length is very large and you want a specific element. So in that case, you can use the filter method. I hope you liked my video. Do share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.